on the sunset.
We're waiting for the shuttle.
But clearly they're not doing well.
We're gonna try and do the jet ski. I'm kind of scared. What? We can't bring the camera on the jet ski, and we're taking turns of using the jet ski because it is expensive. See, now they've stopped. So they just have to float back in. Yeah.
Your first jet ski, right?
It was so nice. Such a shame we can't bring our phone, but also at the same time, it's nice because you can just take it with you.
We're going so slow.
Oh, I really like these chairs. They're so nice.
On the sunset.
Oh my god, my barn is in the perfect spot. I really want this people to do ski on.
Whoa, there's a little sprout in the sand. Like growing.
I'm just walking back to our accommodation. It's been great. The jet ski was good. We just laid by the pool. I mean, not by the beach. They went in, but I just read my book. I'm almost done with my book. And then I fell asleep. I had a nap. And then we had lunch, had some tacos. And after that, we went to the pool to play catch with the tennis ball. So now I'm just heading back, and I think I'm gonna rest. I'm gonna shower and rest, and then after this we're basically gonna go back to my hometown, and after that we are going to go to, where am I heading? Am I lost? No. After that to El Nido, which I'm so excited. It's gonna be a beautiful trip, I reckon. Just going out for dinner, which is our last dinner for this trip in Batangas. We're checking out tomorrow. Maybe when we go to El Nido, I might try a bit more when we go out for dinner. But I just want to do my hair in a bun again. It's just so easy and convenient. My hair is very stubborn, like I've mentioned before in my other vlogs, so I try to like wet this part of my hair, just help me slick it back. And this brush is amazing. It's from Kmart, like $6 I think, not even. My mom and my dad were getting a massage done, and I really wanted to be honest. I wanted to get a massage done, but I just ended up staying home and editing. Almost done actually, which is really good because I'm trying to like upload in advance, so when I get home I've got videos lined up, and hopefully I can keep it up with once a week upload, because I know when work starts again it's like really hard. It's a bit difficult during this holiday. I also really want to get a haircut before I go back home, because I think I've been putting my hair in a bun so much. The ends of my hair are struggling. I think it needs a bit of a trim. So I'm thinking, because I'm going to be staying in Manila for a few nights, I might get it done there. I just don't know, because I'm very particular with my hair, and I just want to make sure that I go to like a good place. I'll have to see, but I would really like to get that done. Go for Angie again.